again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So as you can see, we're going to have just a quick little play with these today. So as you can see, these are Madam Glam's brand new acrylic pens. They're vegan, cruelty free, HEMA free, all that good stuff. They are just acrylic. So to use them, you need to give them a good shake and just press the nib down, and you'll see that paint slowly spreading up to that nib. Just give any excess a quick wipe, and I just got straight into it. I forgot to press record. So I've already done the purple and the pink, but I'm using a blue, and I've just done 3 little kind of strips like that, and then I'm just doing a little dot, little 4-pointed star. Really quick video today, guys, just to show you a few of the little things you can do with these marker pens. They air dry within probably about 20 seconds. You don't need a lamp to cure them or anything. They're completely toxin free. Look at that. How quick and easy was that? And then once that's dry, you can just go over it then with a no wipe top coat or a matte top coat. If you are matte top coating them, I would give them a glossy top coat first and then a matte top coat, because matte top coat could possibly smudge them. So quickly now, I'm going to do a quick zebra print nail. This wasn't looking very good to start with, but I think I managed to salvage it. This was literally the first time I'd picked these pens up. I have got quite a few acrylic pens from other brands and stuff, but I've never used any. So I quickly worked out, if you use the very tip and have your marker pen upright and just use the very tip, you can get really skinny thin lines. And if you use kind of slightly to the side of the tip, you can get the lines a little bit thicker. Yeah, I think a little bit of practice, these could come in quite handy actually for doing outlines, because outlining things are so difficult with a brush to get that line perfectly even and the same thickness all the way around a design. So I think, yeah, this black and the white are going to come in really handy for outlining things. So that's my zebra print nail done. So lastly, I'm just going to use, I think I used 3 different colours on this nail. I'm just going to do little splodges like this. Don't do them in circles. They need to be like uneven kind of splodgy circles. You could do these big, you could do them small, and it's just going to be quick, easy little leopard print design. I think this is, actually zebra print's probably the easiest, isn't it? But this is very easy to do. I'm just going to outline half an outline kind of thing with the black now. Like letter C's, scruffy letter C's on each side of them little splodges. And then in between some of these splodges, in a minute, my words are so technical today, aren't they? Splodges. In between some of these splodges, I'm just going to do little black kind of, like what I've just done but smaller, just little letter C's, half squiggles. Super easy way to do leopard print, and I think it looks really good. Right, so that is all 3 of my little designs done. They've all been top coated. Super quick, super easy, you don't need a lamp. And one thing I want to mention, guys, this blue is from a different brand. They are exactly the same outer packaging. When I first got these, I thought I can get them a lot cheaper, but guys, I'm eating my words, because although Madam Glam might have bought the plastic pens themselves from the same factory as this other brand, the paint inside them is not the same, it is different. The blue was drying so quick and I couldn't go over it, whereas the Madam Glam paint inside those was a lot creamier, a lot smoother. It didn't seem to dry out and go chalky like the blue one did. So don't be fooled by the packaging thinking they're the same as the cheap ones, because I thought exactly the same thing. The paint inside them, maybe Madam Glam have made their own formula, I'm not sure, but the paint inside them is different. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I forgot to mention there's 12 of these pens in total. I've got 6, there is 12 available. You can get 30% off using my code. My code has now changed, it is Aggie30, it'll all be in the description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up guys, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.